Oh, looks like my AC is acting up. How cool would it be if it could shoot me a text about what's exactly going on?
Not with me. Thanks to my LG AC's rocking ThinQCare.
ThinQCare. What's that?
LG ThinQCare allows me to effortlessly identify and troubleshoot issues.
Introducing ThinQCare in LG AC.
It analyzes the device data of AC, detects malfunction, and notifies customer for necessary action. Moreover, it is quite helpful in detecting low refrigerant levels and also detects non-use of air conditioner automatic drying functions. Now forget the hassle and say hello to LG ThinQCare.